Surprising health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil has several benefits such as skincare, hair care, weight loss, treating yeast infections, improving digestion, and immunity against a host of infections and diseases. The oil is used not just in tropical countries where coconut plantations are abundant, but also in US and UK. People are discovering the wonders this oil can create, and it is again gaining popularity throughout the world. Let us see how many of these benefits you are aware of. First, skincare. Coconut oil is excellent massage oil that acts as an effective moisturizer on all types of skin, including dry skin. Unlike mineral oil, there is no chance of having any adverse side effect on the skin from application of coconut oil. Therefore, it is a safe solution for preventing dryness and flaking of skin. It also delays the appearance of wrinkles and sagging of skin, which normally accompany aging. Second, hair care. Coconut oil helps in healthy growth of hair and gives your hair a shiny quality. It is also highly effective in reducing protein loss, which can lead to various unattractive and unhealthy qualities in your hair. It is used as hair care oil and is used in manufacturing various conditioner and dandruff relief creams. It is normally applied topically for hair care. Coconut oil is extensively used in Indian subcontinent for hair care. It is an excellent conditioner and helps the regrowth process of damaged hair. Third, heart diseases. There is a misconception spread among many people that coconut oil is not good for your heart health. This is because it contains a large quantity of saturated fats. In reality, it is beneficial for your heart. It contains about 50% lauric acid, which helps in actively preventing various heart problems like high cholesterol level and high blood pressure. Coconut oil does not lead to increase in LDL level. It reduces the incidence of injury and damage to the arteries and therefore helps in preventing atherosclerosis. Fourth, weight loss. Coconut oil is very useful for weight loss. It contains short and medium chain fatty acids that helps in taking off excessive weight. Research suggests that coconut oil helps to reduce abdominal obesity in women. It is also easy to digest and it helps in healthy functioning of thyroid and endocrine system. Further, it increases the body's metabolic rate by removing stress on pancreas, thereby burning more energy and helping obese and overweight people lose the weight. Fifth, immunity. It strengthens the immune system because it contains antimicrobial lipids, lauric acid, capric acid, and capralic acids, which have antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. The human body converts lauric acids into monolauric, which researchers have supported as an effective way to deal with viruses and bacteria that can cause diseases like herpes, influenza, cytomegalovirus, and even HIV.